So here we are, room tour of 2098. As we open the door, on the left hand side, as always, you have a large double closet, hanger space, and then the other side, more hangers. You have your safe and some storage there. Turning behind, we have the bathroom. First part, the toilet. It's always nice to have a separate toilet, hairdryer, and then our bathroom. We have some nice hand soap, some sea salt lotions, a shower tub with our Sea Marine conditioner, body wash and shampoo. A nice space in here. Sink and everything else you require. Then here we have some nice storage drawers. Now I did purchase Lee a little cupcake and some Cloudum that everyone raves about for a birthday present. A picture of Walt and Lily, just amazing. Then we have our bed. We've got sockets either side, straightforward sockets in terms of US. Then you've got your map lights either side, phone, you've got your pull down bed, table, TV, more storage. There is our chiller, can't call it a mini fridge. The chiller, more drawers. Don't forget, of course, your stationery plus your menu for if you want any breakfast which you need to put out the night before. More lamps either side and a nice mirror. We've got some plug sockets, some USBs and some standard plug sockets there, which is good. Over here you've got a really nice piece of artwork with people doing different things. We've got Snow White there dancing, Chef Louis, someone having a chill, and someone playing a little shuffleboard. Very nice. And we went for the port window room. So this is our nice large window, I have to say. Very nice. We are port side, so we're on the left side of the ship as you face forward. And this will be our view. That is a room tour of 2098.